Hey there, Trisha here. I wanted to share with you the trades that I took on Friday, November 14th, and I'm hopefully going to get yesterday's trades recorded today as well, and then hopefully I will be caught up here by tomorrow, and I'll just be posting the one video a day to show you my trades. My whole purpose in doing this is to show you that you don't need to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to be profitable trading the E-minis in the way of buying programs or systems. These are two setups that I use. These are the only two setups that I use, and they work for me. You probably have other methods of trading, and if it works for you, great, but this is what works for me. It forces me to stick to a plan, and it helps me be accountable. So with that said, I took 3 trades and I was finished by 10:30. I typically don't trade in the afternoon on Friday. That is just my preference. There's usually not much going on Friday afternoon. So I start out by looking at a larger tick chart, and I actually have a setup occurring here on this tick chart at about 9:43 in the morning. I personally do not trade until after 9:40 in the morning, so it fits my criteria there. It's after 9:40 in the morning, and I have a setup occurring on my larger tick chart. Now I drill down to my smaller minute time frame chart, and the first arrow there on the left right there is the entry that I was just showing you on the larger tick chart, and I do have confirmation on this chart with my indicators that I can take this entry long. So at that point, I then drill down to my smaller tick chart and I look for entry setup there. And I do have my entry set up on all 3 charts. So I go ahead and I take along at 896.25, and I trail stopped out at 899.75 for a gain of 350. As you know or don't know, I don't know how many videos of mine you've watched, but I use the pivot highs and lows to trail my stops, and that's how I was trailed out on this one. Next trade that I had is just before 10 o'clock. I cut off the time there. Sorry about that. But this was a scalp setup that occurred on my small tick chart, and my other 2 charts confirm my entry that I can now go short. As long as all 3 charts confirm my entry, then I take the trade. If I only get confirmation on one chart, I pass, and I pass a lot. And there are often times that the trade will go on to be profitable, but it forces me to stick to my rules, and like I said, it makes me accountable to myself, and it just forces me to stick to my rules and my plan, and it works for me. A lot of people don't have a trading plan and don't stick to their rules, and if that works for them, that's fine, but my experience, for me, it does not work for me. I find myself jumping in and out of everything and just feeling like I'm flying by the seat of my pants. So anyway, I took this scalp trade setup at 899.25, and I trailed stopped out at 894.25 for a gain of +5. So I was happy with that. Now this is the longer tick chart again, and this is later on in the morning, approximately 10:16 in the morning. I have a setup occurring on this longer tick chart. So now I'm going to drill down to my other 2 charts, my smaller minute chart, which if you look up here, this is the second arrow. That is this entry that I just showed you on the longer tick chart. And I do have confirmation from my indicators that it is okay for me to go ahead and take this short. So I went ahead and I took it. I drilled down to my smaller tick chart, and I have confirmation on this chart as well. So all 3 charts are in alignment, so I did take this short, and I actually went short at 891.50, and I stopped out at 888.75 for a gain of 275. Again, for me, I get confirmation on all 3 charts. If all 3 charts are not in alignment, I do not take the trade. I do not make the rules up as I go along. I have my rules written out, and if you go to www.easyemintrade.com, you can get these two setups with all the indicators and chart setup and so forth for $49.97. That is a fraction of what this is worth, really. I just really want to show people that they can do this and not to get discouraged and feel like everybody else is making money but them. I have a lot of time in back testing and a lot of time in compiling the information that will definitely be helpful for you and spell out a plan and help you to follow a specific plan with specific setups. And I really think that it can help you if you are somebody who was like me, who was just all over the place. So go to www.easyemintrade.com and I will see you on the next video.